Google tried to bury Stadia, but it's still alive. At least kind of. Because here I have a still sealed, still unopened box of Google Stadia Premiere Edition that I managed to get after Google has already shut down the service. So what would you have gotten if you just decided to give Stadia a chance and let it into your home? You know, I'm usually the kind of person who's against buying stuff and then keeping it sealed for forever. But in this case, I mean, this is pretty much like tech history at this point, because there ain't many of these out there nowadays. There it is, a brand new Google Stadia kit. Talk about getting on the bandwagon, literally when the bandwagon's already dead. That actually looks better than I expected. I mean, that controller is actually pretty good. It does have like the PlayStation style layout, which whatever. I played both PlayStation and Xbox, and I honestly do definitely prefer the Xbox layout. That's the one I'm more used to, but this is still fine. I can get used to this. I've been playing a lot of PS2 games recently, so I'll get used to it fast. I mean, the ergonomics are fine, especially around like your palms. It's could be better, but still pretty comfortable. Of course, you have your audio jack down here, USB Type-C charging, which is very nice to see, and then all the buttons you could ever need here in the middle. Is that a Google Assistant button? You have a dedicated Google Assistant button. I did not even know that. Now the thing is that previously this thing was only usable with Google Stadia, but Google actually issued a patch to allow people to turn Bluetooth on in the controller and allow you to use it like any other third-party controller, which is awesome. So we're going to be doing that later as well. Then further inside, we have ourselves, of course, a nice little charger. You can never have enough of these. You can see here I have the UK version. And here's where things get interesting, because you also get a Chromecast. I've honestly never even owned a Chromecast. And what's actually interesting is that this thing is still micro B powered. So much for the future of gaming when the Chromecast is still stuck in the past. No way, is that how you connect the Chromecast to the internet? There is literally an RJ45 port in the wall plug. And then you just run a single micro B cable up to the device. That is, I've never seen something like this before. That's actually pretty neat. So let me just quickly turn on Google Stadia on my brand new Chromecast Ultra, and we're off to the wait. But hey, if you did get an edition for Chromecast, you know, you still have a free Chromecast you can freely use until Google shuts it down. Instead, let's do something about the controller and actually turn on Bluetooth on it. Okay, so first things first, all you have to do is just connect your Google Stadia controller up to your PC, as you might expect. Then we'll go to the Google Stadia website, and I guess we'll find out what's next. Okay, so now we're on the website. We just click through here. We download the update, and I think we just have to install it, and that's it. That was actually pretty painless, and the service is actually going to be available until the end of the year. So if you did buy a Stadia controller, make sure you actually do this, so you know you can actually use this and not just have it be a nice plastic reminder of how many projects Google has killed. Okay, it's connected, and it looks like, yeah, we're playing games, boys. It's pretty much just acting like any other Bluetooth controller, be it, you know, first party, third party, whatever. It just works, and you can pretty much use it in anything that supports a Bluetooth controller, so that is pretty awesome. Honestly, I can totally imagine playing Google Stadia games on this thing. It's actually pretty good. And as for the Chromecast itself, it's a Chromecast, what do you want me to say? So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of gaming history and a look into what could have been. Sure, Google Stadia might be dead, but it lives on in our memories. And you know what you can do to help it live on? Support this channel on Patreon. Because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my esteemed patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, LTB, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Bardosh Roka, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, Jesse Herberman, and Shannon Odgen. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down here you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all on whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.